Hi, my name is Kurt, and this is my video presentation for Major Activity 5.1. In this task, we built a simple C program to log and analyze personal expenses using basic variables and file handling. Let's go through the code together. Step 1. Include libraries and set up constants. We include standard libraries for input-output, stdioh, general utilities, standard lib.h, and string manipulation, string.h. We also define max line as 100 for the maximum characters per line in our file, and max category as 50 for the maximum unique expense categories. Step 2. Declare all function prototypes. These lines declare the functions we'll define later. This tells the compiler about their names and return types before they are fully written. Step 3. The main menu loop. The main function controls the program flow with the menu loop. It displays options to the user, reads their choice, and uses a switch statement to call the corresponding function. The loop continues until the user enters Q to quit. Step 4. Add a new expense. This function opens expenses.txt in append mode. It promotes the user for the date, category, and amount of the expense, then writes this information as a comma-separated line to the file. Step 5. List all expenses. This function opens expenses.txt in read mode. It reads each line, parses the date, category, and amount using scanf, and then displays them on the console. It also calculates and prints the total amount of all expenses. Step 6. Show daily total. This function prompts the user to enter a date. It then reads expenses.txt, extracts the date and amount from each line, and if the date matches the user's input, it adds the amount to a running total. Finally, it prints the total spent on that specific date. Step 7. Create category report. This function opens expenses.txt to read and category report text to write. It reads each expense, tracks the total amount spent per category, and then writes a formatted report of category totals to the category report.txt file. Step 8. Edit a record's amount. This function opens expenses.txt in read or write mode. It prompts for the date and category for the expense to edit and the new amount. It then searches the file for a matching record and, if found, overwrites the existing amount with the new amount directly in the file. And that concludes our walkthrough of this simple expense logging and analysis program built in C using basic file handling. It demonstrates fundamental file operations for managing data. Thanks for watching.